Good morning, ninth class. Today we will revise the poem The Snake Trying. This poem is written by the poet W. Ross. In this poem, the poet tries to say that all the snakes, they are not poisonous, and some of them, they are quite harmless. So it is foolish to kill a snake as soon as we see it. Even if a snake is poisonous, it will not do us any harm if it doesn't see any danger from us. So the snake, they always bites only in self protection, only to protect themselves. Otherwise, they do not want to harm anybody. So they are harmless creature, but this is such a sad thing. This is an irony that human beings, they always try to kill a snake as soon as they see it. But the fact is that many of the snakes, they are not at all poisonous and they are harmless. So in this poem, the poet describes that how a snake is trying to escape itself from a man who is chasing him with a stick. And the snake is making such sudden curves with its thin long body that the poet is finding the movement of the snake as beautiful and graceful. And the snake is making such sudden curves in order to escape from the blows of the stick which the person is having in his hand. But the poet is finding the movements of the snake as beautiful and graceful. And then the poet explains that the snake, in order to escape itself, it just goes through the water in order to save itself from the stroke of the stick. And after going through the water, it just vanishes among the reeds, which are the green water plants. Because the snake itself is green in color, just like the green water plant, so it becomes easy for the green snake to hide among them so that nobody can recognize him. So the message of the poem is that the snakes, they are not at all poisonous, and we people should appreciate the beauty of the snake, and we should have sympathy instead of treating them as an object of uh, our anger, or instead of killing them, we should appreciate them and we should have sympathy towards them.